You are about to see home business machines that look simple at first glance, but what they can do will genuinely surprise you. These small and affordable setups are turning garages, spare rooms, and backyard sheds into real income-producing spaces. Most people overlook these machines because they are quiet moneymakers, yet they produce products that sell every single day. What makes this list special is that it includes machines so unique that many creators have never even heard of them. Some transform basic materials into premium items. Others automate tasks that used to take hours. And one machine near the end can create a product that almost sells itself. If you are searching for practical and beginner-friendly business ideas you can start from home, this list will open your eyes to opportunities most people still miss. Let's begin with something truly impressive. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment, send me, and I'll share the complete list with you. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions. Number 15. Shredded Foam Rebonding Press. This machine is one of the most overlooked machines for a home-based business. It takes leftover foam scraps, trims, and cushion offcuts, compresses them, and turns them into solid reusable foam blocks. These blocks are used in pet beds, chair cushions, exercise mats, acoustic panels, and many repair shops constantly need a steady supply. With a compact unit that often starts around $10,000 to $15,000, anyone can turn waste materials into valuable products with very low overhead. The demand for reclaimed foam is rising because customers want eco-friendly, affordable, and durable alternatives to traditional upholstery foam. This makes it easy to enter markets like small furniture shops, local upholsterers, handmade pet bed sellers, gym accessory makers, or even Etsy and craft markets. Since the raw material is extremely cheap, businesses using this machine enjoy strong profit margins because most of the earnings come from the value added through pressing and shaping the foam. Number 14. Mini Cardboard Box Digital Cutter. This machine is a compact machine that turns sheets of cardboard into perfectly cut custom packaging. It can produce small product boxes, custom inserts, candle boxes, soap boxes, gift packaging, shipping protectors, and even branded retail packaging. Small businesses are constantly searching for affordable packaging suppliers, which makes this machine a strong opportunity for anyone using a spare room or home office. With machines starting around $800 to $1,600, you can create packaging that looks professional without the need for large industrial equipment. The demand for custom packaging is growing fast because brands want unique boxes in small batches, something big factories rarely offer. This gives you a perfect entry point into selling packaging for local brands, Etsy sellers, small craft shops, homemade product makers, and even local bakeries. The profits are strong because cardboard is inexpensive, and custom packaging always carries a higher value due to design and precision cutting. Wait until you see how simple the next machine is, yet people are making real money with it from home. Number 13. Leather Edge Painting Machine. This machine is a compact USB-powered tool used by leather workers who want clean, smooth, and professional edges on wallets, belts, keychains, and handbag straps. Many people still paint leather edges by hand, which takes a lot of time and often results in uneven finishes. This machine solves that issue by applying consistent layers of paint with perfect thickness. Small leather goods are extremely popular on Etsy and in local craft markets, which makes this machine ideal for anyone wanting to start from home. With typical prices around $120 to $350, it is one of the most beginner-friendly machines for creating premium products. You can enter the market by offering leather edge finishing services, or by producing your own leather goods with a clean, professional look that stands out from competitors. The business becomes profitable because clean edges instantly increase the perceived value of leather products, allowing you to charge more with very low material costs. If you are enjoying our ideas, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. We're aiming to reach 50,000 subscribers, and your support means everything to us. Let's back to the video. Number 12. Mini Freeze-Dried Candy Machine. This machine allows you to make one of the fastest-growing snack products, freeze-dried candy. These small machines remove moisture while keeping the original shape, transforming simple candies into crunchy, puffed, lightweight treats that customers love. With small home units typically costing $900 to $2,500, anyone can start producing small batches from a kitchen, garage, or basement. Freeze-dried candy is trending on TikTok, Instagram, and local markets. Stores, gift shops, and online buyers constantly look for new flavors because freeze-drying creates unique textures and intense sweetness. That demand makes it easy to enter the market by creating your own brand, packaging small bags, and selling directly to customers online or through local retailers. Since candy is inexpensive, the profit potential is strong. Freeze-dried products sell for much more than their original cost because customers pay for the crunch, texture, and novelty that only this machine can create. Number 11. UV Resin Dome Coating Machine. This machine applies a glossy resin layer over stickers, labels, charms, keychains, pins, and small craft items. The domed effect gives products a professional, glass-like shine that stands out immediately. This machine is perfect for home businesses because it is compact, clean to operate, and usually priced around $250 to $700. Domed stickers and resin badges are extremely popular in branding, promotional products, handmade crafts, and custom merchandise. Many companies want small batches, which large printers do not offer, creating a profitable opening for small creators. You can enter the market by offering custom domed sticker services or by creating your own product lines for Etsy, Shopify, or local shops. The business is profitable because resin-coated items have a high perceived value, and customers are willing to pay more for the glossy, durable finish. Material costs are low, and batch production is fast, making this machine ideal for beginners. Number 10. Mini Cheese Aging Cabinet. This machine is a compact unit designed for small batch cheesemakers who want premium, handcrafted cheese produced right at home. This machine controls temperature, humidity, and airflow, letting you age Gouda, cheddar, brie, blue cheese, and many specialty styles. Home-crafted cheese is becoming more popular at farmers markets and local gourmet shops, which makes this machine a strong entry point for beginners. With units starting around $300 to $800, it is an affordable way to produce artisanal products. Since specialty cheese carries high value, this business is profitable because customers pay more for handmade small batch flavors. The next one is shockingly affordable, and once you see what it creates, you will understand why it is in demand. Number 9. Recycled Candle Wax Filter and Remelt Machine. This machine turns leftover candle wax, broken candles, and scrap pieces into clean, reusable wax. It filters impurities and melts the wax to a smooth, pour-ready consistency. This lets you create new candles, wax melts, aromatherapy cubes, and gift sets without wasting materials. Sustainable candle products are growing in demand, especially on Etsy and at local craft fairs. Machines typically range from $1,000 to $1,500, making it easy to start from home. The business becomes profitable because recycled wax has extremely low cost, while finished candles sell for premium prices due to their eco-friendly appeal. If you are enjoying these unique home business machines, remember to hit like and subscribe. It helps more people find these opportunities, and it tells us to keep bringing you new profitable ideas. Number 8. Compact Badge Embossing Blind Deboss Machine. This machine is used to create raised or pressed logos on leather patches, notebooks, tags, cards, and branding inserts. Many small businesses want customized packaging and branding pieces, but they cannot afford factory minimums. That opens the door for home-based creators using this machine. With prices around $1,000 to $1,200, it is a low-cost tool for producing crisp, professional embossing. This business is profitable because embossing adds premium value to simple materials, allowing you to offer custom work for small shops, handmade brands, and Etsy sellers who need high-quality branding in small batches. This next machine looks tiny, but it produces a product that customers buy over and over again. Number 7. Small Rope Tug Toy Twisting Machine. This machine creates braided rope toys for pets using cotton rope, recycled fibers, or fabric strips. Pet toys are always in demand, especially handmade and eco-friendly options. This machine twists and tightens the ropes consistently, something that is difficult to do by hand. With machines typically starting around $5,000 to $10,000, you can produce a variety of rope toys from home and sell them online or at local pet stores. Since the raw materials are inexpensive, this business is profitable because pet owners pay a premium for durable, handmade toys produced in small batches. Number 6. Mini Vacuum Tumbler Marinator Machine. This machine speeds up the marinating process by using vacuum pressure to pull flavor deep into meats, vegetables, and specialty food products. It lets you produce marinated wings, barbecue mixes, ready-to-grill meats, gourmet snacks, and deli-style flavors quickly and consistently. Local food sellers, barbecue shops, and meal prep services often need unique marinades, and this machine helps you enter that market. Small units start around $350 to $900, making it possible to operate from a home kitchen or small workspace. The business is profitable because marinated foods sell for higher prices due to convenience and flavor consistency. Number 5. Mini waffle cone roll forming machine. This machine creates perfect ice cream cones, waffle bowls, dessert shells, and mini cone treats. It shapes and rolls the waffles automatically, giving consistent results that look professionally made. Small dessert shops and local bakeries often need custom cones in small batches, making this machine a great home business starter. With prices around $250 to $600, you can begin producing gourmet cones from a small kitchen setup. This business is profitable because handmade cones always sell at higher prices, especially when offering flavors like chocolate, cinnamon, or caramel. Number 4. Micro compost tea brewer machine. This machine turns compost into nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer used by gardeners, plant shops, micro farms, and indoor growers. It aerates and brews the mix to create highly effective plant food. This is in demand because more people are switching to organic growing methods. Home units usually cost $15,000 to $20,000, making it simple to start from a garage or backyard space. The business becomes profitable because compost tea sells for strong margins, since its ingredients are inexpensive and customers value natural plant boosters. Number 3. Soy milk and tofu maker automatic. This machine is a compact automatic unit that produces fresh soy milk, tofu blocks, nut milk, and vegan dips without large equipment. With plant-based foods growing in popularity, small producers are finding steady demand in local markets, Asian grocery stores, and health-focused communities. Machines normally range from $150 to $350, making it beginner-friendly. You can enter the market by offering fresh soy milk subscriptions, flavored tofu, or small-batch vegan products. This business is profitable because plant-based foods carry premium value and require low-cost raw materials. The next idea is so beginner-friendly that almost anyone can start it today. Number 2. Stamp carving machine, Japanese Hanko style. This machine is inspired by Japanese Hanko stamp making. It engraves custom seals on wood, stone, resin, or plastic to create personalized name stamps, business stamps, craft stamps, and decorative art pieces. These items are popular on Etsy and with small businesses that want unique branding tools. Units typically cost $200 to $500, and because customization is always in demand, it is easy to start from home. This business becomes profitable because each stamp has high perceived value, especially when customers request personalized designs or branding patterns. Number 1. Mini glass bottle polisher and edge smoother. This machine refines cut bottles, removes sharp edges, and polishes glass for a clean, safe finish. It is perfect for creators who turn bottles into candles, vases, lamps, drinking glasses, and craft products. Handmade glass decor is always in demand at craft fairs and home decor shops. Small units range from $90 to $250, making it one of the most affordable machines on this list. The business is profitable because recycled bottle crafts sell at strong prices, and the raw materials cost almost nothing, allowing you to earn from the value added by polishing and shaping. You have just seen machines that are small, low cost, and powerful enough to turn a simple garage, spare room, or backyard into a real income stream. What makes these ideas exciting is how each machine produces something customers already buy every single day. Some create premium handcrafted products, others transform basic materials into high-value items, and all of them are beginner-friendly. If any of these machines caught your attention, take the next step and look deeper into the ones that match your skills, your budget, and your goals. Your future business might start with one simple machine. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss new business ideas that can help you grow. Share this video with someone who wants to start earning and let us build successful businesses together. See you in the next one.